when you're solving for logarithmic equations, one thing you have to remember is that you are going to need a single log of x equal to a single log. In other words, you need a log equal to a log. And when we have a log equal to a log and they have the same base, such as here we have base 10, the understood base of logs, we can put their arguments equal to each other. So here we can say x is equal to 2, as long as we have a single log equal to a single log. If we have multiple logs, we will have to get them into a single log format. But let's solve a couple of just single logs. So like if I have log base 2 of 5x minus 1 is equal to log base 2 of 2x plus 17. Now you'll notice that I have the same log with the same base, a single log equal to a single log. That means that their arguments have to be equal to each other. So I'm going to say 5x minus 1 has to equal a 2x plus 17. So I'm going to solve this equation. I will subtract my 2x from both sides, and I get 3x minus 1 is equal to 17. I will add my 1 to both sides. I will get 3x is equal to 18, and divide by 3. So I get that x is equal to 6. Now, something that you do have to remember when you're dealing with logs is that your arguments must always be positive. These have to be greater than 0. So when you solve, you need to check and make sure that this does not go to 0 and does not go negative. So make sure that you have like 5 times 6 minus 1. So that's a 30 minus 1. So that's 29. So that's okay, it's positive. And then 2 times 6 plus 17. Well, 2 times 6 is 12 plus 17. So that's 29 as well. Those are positive. Those are okay. So those check out. I just cannot get this to go negative. Let's solve another one. And let's look at if I have just a log of x minus 7 is equal to a log of 5 minus x. So if you recall, your logs have an understood base of 10. So I have a single log equal to a single log. So my argument, x minus 7, is equal to my argument of 5 minus x. And I can solve by adding my x to both sides. So I will get 2x minus 7 is equal to 5. I add my 7 to both sides. I get 2x is equal to 12. I divide by my 2. I get x is equal to 6. Again. Now I'm going to check. I have x minus 7 and I have a 5 minus x. Well, if I put in a 6 minus 7, that gives me a negative 1. I cannot take the log of a negative number. this does not work because this is undefined here. So this is a no solution. So if you get a value, a potential solution that makes your argument anywhere go to a negative value or to 0, you cannot use that particular solution. It is an extraneous solution.